someone tells you there's no other form of life, and you believe in that too, I'm gonna tell you about the other night. I swear that it's true. A cloud of white and green and flying ships I've never seen came into my view. Was I frightened? Was I scared? Was I thrown into confusion as they glided down so silently? It wasn't an illusion. No, no, no doubt about it. Oh no, no doubt about it. What kind of magnetism kept me in this place? Was it out of my control? What was the ship from outer space?